Hello and welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. We're back to tell you more about what's been going on at the Avon Valley School. Last night we held our Year 9 Parents Evening. Thank you to all the parents who came along to engage with staff to look at how we can support your child further in school. And that leads into next week's Year 9 Options Evening, which is on Thursday. And that's from 5:30 till 7, where you can come in and find out all of the exciting opportunities that your child can study for their GCSEs. We look forward to seeing as many parents and students there on the evening so that you can get all the information you need to make informed choices. Over half term, our ski trip went out to Italy, to Pila. All of our students and staff had an amazing time with a full range of après activities in the evening as well. The students progressed their skiing fantastically, all making it up onto the mountain and onto some of the bigger runs. So thank you to Mrs. Mortimer and the rest of the staff team for making that opportunity possible for our students, and we look forward now to our next ski trip in 2027. We've had another trip out this week, an RE trip run by Miss Begum to Shrewsbury Prison. Some of our students went over to have a look around a previously working prison and to discuss ethical issues around crime and law and order, which is one of the fundamental British values, and it was a really well run trip, and again students found that they got a lot from that trip on the day. Another commitment to our personal development for students across the school. This Tuesday saw our Splash Day activity, again sticking with the theme of personal development. A range of activities on offer for students to learn about the world of work, careers, enterprise, and some history talks. A range of fantastic opportunities that students really benefited from. Thank you to Mr. Hawkins and the wider team for organising all of those opportunities for our students. At the beginning of the week we had our teacher training day, and our teaching staff were all working on looking at adaptive teaching practices. So we were looking at a range of strategies of how we can adapt lessons to meet the needs of all learners. Thank you to everybody for your engagement in that, and we look forward to now seeing some of those strategies in lessons. You may have seen as we've been going around that we've had some new signage and branding placed around the school to add some vibrancy and colour. I think it's been enjoyed by everybody, and it's certainly made the school look a little bit more modern. That's it for this week's edition of This Week at AVS. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can find out what's going on at the amazing Avon Valley School.